Yeah. So Adil had come to us from Arena Events, and we told them a lot of our requirements, everything we wanted, the chandeliers, the greenery, the natural outcome that we wanted, these reflectors and these beautiful tables and chairs and the piano and everything. And they were so committed to deliver what we wanted, and he was emotionally involved, so we liked that for our own event. So we were hell-bent on having him do the event for us, and he's delivered it so well. Like, if you can see the stage, it's lovely, the chandeliers are perfect, the tables and chairs look lovely, like exactly how we wanted it.
Yeah,
so we're very happy with it. And
yeah, I think what I would like to add is we both are perfectionists, and we really like people or value perfections, and Adil and his team did deliver the exact same expectation that we had, which is perfection in everything that we wanted. And most importantly, we did not meet each other, so it was all on online communication. And to have such a clear, clarified way of communicating through WhatsApp and other kinds of, just online communication is fantastic.
And they were efficient.
So we are very, very proud and very glad to have them.
So to
arranged.
anybody who wants to have them do their event, I'm sure that they will do lovely, and they'll go way beyond your expectations.
We 100% recommend them.
Give 100% of their effort to it.
Yeah,
So thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, man.